This is Rosie. She's my 2007 BMW 335i N54 series. It's a 3-liter inline 6. I've got a XHP transmission tune, stage 4. And you can program upshifts, downshifts, and torque limitations. I also run an MHD engine tune, stage 2+ with an E30 mix, which gives me right about a little over 400 horsepower right now, and according to graphs, 475 actual torque. Got some cooling and fueling upgrades, aluminum charge pipe, upgraded blow-off valve. Probably running right now about 20 pounds boost on this mixture. I've got the torque limitations set up on the transmission right now for 9 pounds boost first gear, 18 pounds boost second gear, and after that we're going to let her eat. I got a Megan strut brace, BC Racing DR ultra low coilovers with camber kit. Chocks are adjustable dampening with knobs on the top and remote knobs for the back. I've got a Powell Elite, and that's about it. I've got Franken Turbo setup ordered, which are 18T full TD04 castings, which a little more fueling upgrades will make it 600 horsepower capable.
What you thinking out of the BMW?
Thinking with this hard tires on the back, it's going to be a little traction limited. So it might go high B class.
High B class? I got you.
I agree. Traction limited. Got boost turned down a bit, low gear, so I think in high B.
I got you.
Yeah, I'm with you on that.
High B?
Mid to high B, yeah.
Yeah, and I would agree. We're probably looking at a high B class, maybe scraping the bottom of A class. So I could definitely see it, especially if it gets a tire. I could see it easily going into A class for sure, though.
$30, $60, quarter mile, half mile, 130.
Alright guys, so with a total score of 435, the 335i places in C class, just below the Pro Charge 5th Gen Camaro. Alright, with a 509, that's going to put him in 5th place, above the Pro Charge 5th Gen and the SRT4. With an 8.91, that's going to put them in 5th place, above the Pro Charge 5th Gen Camaro and the SRT4 Neon. With a 13.36, that's going to put him down in 6th place, just above the SRT4 Neon with a did not finish. Now, they both got 100 points, but since it actually finished the 60 to 130, we are considering it to be a higher rank than did not finish.